ABC News.
Peter James is the chairman of DroneShield. That's a Sydney-based company which provides drone detection and disruption technology. And he joins us now. Peter James, thanks for being with us.
Good morning, Steve.
Now, you've been following closely, I imagine, what's been happening at Gatwick Airport. Is it of a surprise to you?
Absolutely not. While the actual incident itself has come out of the blue, these sorts of incidents around the world are becoming, unfortunately, more and more commonplace as drones. It's coming into Christmas time, and all over the world, kids and adults will be getting drones in Christmas presents, and it's these sorts of drones, although I understand the drones used at Gatwick have a slightly bigger industrial size. But drones are now commonplace around the world, and unfortunately, while we know them for a good purpose such as photography and delivery, more and more they're being used for criminal or unwanted activities, such as has happened at Gatwick. And obviously, at Christmas time, massive disruption. Something like this has been well planned and well orchestrated.
Yeah, it's staggering, isn't it? For 24 hours, the authorities have been trying to, I suppose, close this down. Can they be intercepted?
Yes, and look, one of the challenges with airports is they're obviously very complex facilities with a lot of electronic equipment. And I understand the military have been doing what they can, but of course, bullets, kinetic energy just doesn't work. They're very hard to find and hit using that sort of technology, and it could be quite dangerous. But DroneShield has developed now for a couple of years a wide range of detection and jamming equipment and platforms which are being deployed literally around the world in a number of areas.
Wouldn't the authorities in the UK be trying to jam them?
I suspect they would be, but they obviously don't have the equipment that a company like ours can deploy. We've got, and it is in use, right around the world.
Have you offered it to them?
Look, we are in touch with them at the moment, but to be able to deploy it at short notice, sophisticated equipment, Steve, it's got to be set up, but we can detect drones up to 5 kilometres using smart technology, and then we've got jamming devices that will surgically take a drone down up to 2 kilometres. Very effective and proven to work at airports.
Now, do you suspect that there might be a sinister aspect to all of this? It's obviously, as you mentioned, a sophisticated operation. Is somebody just playing games, or is there a more sinister intent, perhaps?
Well, look, I don't know, but if someone's playing games, we use the three C's: clueless, careless, and criminal. This is definitely criminal. What the intent is, the ultimate intent, I can't comment, but it's obviously well organised and well deployed, and has shut down the Christmas activities of tens of thousands, perhaps hundreds of thousands of people. Unfortunately, it takes activities such as this for, I think, people to realise the damage that small off-the-shelf and similar drones can occur or can have.
So you think they're pretty cheap devices?
Well, I don't know for certain about these ones, but you can cause a lot of damage, a lot of disruption to an airport or any other facility. Prisons, bridges, mass crowd events with small off-the-shelf drones. Our facilities are deployed at the Boston Marathon. The Winter Olympics used them, the Commonwealth Games. You've only got to Google ISIS and military drones, and you'll see the sort of work we're doing with terrorists around the world to stop unwanted drones.
All right, Peter James, good to talk to you. A very interesting discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Steve. All the best.
You too. Peter James, the chairman of DroneShield. It's a Sydney company which provides drone detection and disruption technology in the light of what's been happening at Gatwick Airport. It's going to remain closed until later today our time while authorities there try to deal with a couple of drones that have been coming in and out of radar, so to speak.
ABC News.